the fly stitch. The fly stitch makes these fun V-like shapes, and you can do them in all sorts of variations, like really thin, wide, small, in any direction you want. So how do you make the fly stitch? To do this, we come up in one top corner of our V. We tug so we feel our thread nice and flush with the back of the fabric, and then we hold our thread towards the bottom point of that V, and we go back down in the other top corner of that V there, and we gently tug so we have a nice open U of thread on the front of our fabric. Then we bring our needle up from the back of the fabric inside that U, and we gently tug so that U becomes a V. Now we need to make sure this V is held in place on the front of the fabric. So I'm going to make a short little stitch right around the bottom of that thread of my V there to tack it down, like so. And that is the fly stitch.